This here is another compilation, but this one is on Cartergamer, also known as Frozen Sight, also known as Meow Meow, also known as what? Hope you guys enjoy.
What am I gonna do? Oh, you're dead too? Ah! Oh, they left, bro. They got mad. They got a little mad.
Why'd you have to take a break here, bro? I'm getting me. That plane is falling from the sky. Let's go help him, Carter. We gotta help him. Gasp emoji. He's calling for help, Carter. Let's go help
he's
him.
got the wee-woos on. He's got the wee-woos on, bro.
This is SOS signal, dude. Come on, we gotta help him, Carter.
Shut up. Shut up.
Whoa!
Burrito says hi.
Oh, hello, burrito.
Ask him if he got pizza for me.
I'm pretty sure he can hear you.
What'd you get? What'd you say?
Did you get some pizza for me too?
How you gonna eat it, dipshit? What the fuck? You're not gonna happen, dude.
I got a mailbox, bud.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a little stale and cold and likely moldy by the time it gets to you.
If you want to live, you know what you gotta do.
It is.
Get to screaming. Go.
99.
What? What?
No, please, please, please.
Wait, I'm
Hello? Is there goat? Yep, goat. Come here, goat. I have hay for you. Come, goat. Eat the hay.
Yo, they pulling out the fucking switchblade, bro.
Oh, she got the bread knuckle. Doi. Why'd you go to fight him? Doi.
Yo, the fight ain't over, bro.
Doi. You're next, buddy.
Stop kicking me in the dick.
Yeah, gang up, I got it. Yeah, gang up,
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Yo, fuck me any harder, Jesus. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Hello, pumpkin.
Choking on that
Me?
What are you aiming at? Why are you sideways? My boy hit the parallel parking. Hey! I can't aim on the game. Why are you dying? You just chowing it down like a birthday cake.
I don't know, someone's fucking healing me.
Oh, you're in God.
I'm not. I will screen share. Or my fucking computer will freeze. Cool. I know exactly where to find all of those videos too, and I'm going to fucking tell you now. I'm not telling you.
You're gonna tell me now that you're not telling me, bro? Like Paradox Gaming? Oh crap.
Gone. Bye-bye.
I was having fun too though.
Grr. Oh, what the?
Run that back.
Neighbor.
Let's go again.
Buddy's like a little time. Again. I can't read the notes. I can't fucking play that song, bro. Even if I fucking life depended on it. It's so stupid.
Put your glasses on then if you can't read.
I don't need glasses for VR. It's literally right here.
What'd you say?
Oh, this pizza makes me wanna fucking.
Gotta run! Just run! Come in, Jabla! They come in, Jabla! We can't go back to the ring!
Yo, you're leaving me in the dirt, bruh.
Yep, yep. Green cookies!
Fucking run!